Hey, what I'm about to do is take this 120 gigabyte micro SD card and I'm gonna insert in my phone after I take the information off the 32 gigabyte S micro SD card and transfer it to this one on my laptop. Let's see here. Yeah, it sans this. It's like a little unboxing thing here. Hey, I'm opening it up. Okay, this is the 120 gigabyte micro SD card that I'm gonna use. I got two of these. I'm gonna put one in my drone and I'm gonna put the other one in my phone. So the first one, after I take the information off the 32 gigabyte micro SD and put it on the 128, then I'll stick one in my drone and one to go on my phone. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that's it right there. Now, first things first, we are going to take the 32 gigabyte. Is that the 128? Yeah, that's the 128. Okay, that's the 32. This is 32 gigabyte. I'm about to open this one up. Snatch the information off real quick. Copy. Don't go the other way. So, 32 gigabyte backup. Okay. 32 gigabyte backup. All files. Take about 6 minutes. That's the 32 gigabyte. I'm just putting the information on the desktop, and then I'm gonna move it to the other micro SD card, which is 128 gigabytes. Yeah, this is the receipt. This is the receipt for it. I got it off of. I think I purchased it off of eBay. Yeah, gotta figure things out. You know how that goes. Gotta do things. So I got 4 minutes to go. Yeah. Sometimes it's just crazy, but this is the things you gotta do for space with your phone and your camera and stuff like. What time is it? 1:32 p.m. and I work after 7, so I'll be leaving here about 6 p.m. Yeah, hold on. This is the new SD card, micro SD that I'm gonna place in my phone. I'm gonna load the information from the 32 gigabyte onto the 128 gigabyte, and then I have another 128 gigabyte that I'm gonna place in my drone. That's how it's gonna work. So in another 3 minutes, the information from the 32 gigabyte will be on the desktop, and then I can move that over to the 128, and then put the 128 in the phone, and then I got more space. That's pretty much it. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send all my video straight to the SD card, not the phone, straight to the SD card, and I'll just have to pull it off the SD card. That's what I'm gonna do. 2 minutes to go. This is what the smooth one does. I'm home. I ain't got nothing to do right now. I gotta work after 7 o'clock. Until I do the next part. Smooth One Productions. I'm out.